Welcome everyone to the ADV Orlando channel, where riding on two wheels is always an adventure.
I'm glad you could join me this morning here at Green Ridge State Forest in Maryland, just west of Hancock. I'll be doing a full field test of the DJI Neo 2 drone. And here it's set to circle around me, but it only does a semicircle because of the accident, or actually obstacle, avoidance of the tent. I wasn't sure what was going to happen on this rocket mode. I thought I might shoot away really quickly, but actually just went above my head and up. And then it comes back down, slowly. This didn't come with an operating manual, so I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. And hopefully this cell phone connection will help with that. Would you look at that fit? It's the smallest drone I have with the smallest tank bag that I have. Almost like it was meant to be. One issue that I have with this drone is that its focus is always on one individual person. Any kind of group scan or an object scan so far is undoable. And at the each of every function, it gets really close up in your face. And I'm just not one of those people that's a fan of having a camera shoved right in front of your face. But hopefully I'll be able to figure out a way to extend the distance between the drone and the subject. And just trying to figure it all out as part of the adventure as far as I'm concerned. Challenges are good for stirring up the sedentary life. I think I stopped here just to keep the drone safe because I could obviously see a lot of wind as you get beyond the edge of the woods. And I wanted to get some of my own shots before I could see what the drone could do. But when I finally turn around and I can see the drone heavily struggling against the wind, and I knew it would be useless right here. If you're new at making videos and you're involved in activities that use both hands, this is the drone that you want. It's well priced, small and lightweight, simple pre-programmed flights, and the convenience of no controller makes this ideal for video making.